How did Cain find a wife? In the beginning, God created Adam and Eve and placed them in the beautiful Garden of Eden. Before the fall, Adam and Eve lived in perfect harmony. God said to be fruitful and multiply, and they were blessed with many children. The Bible doesn't give us a time frame of how long before the fall, nor does it speak on them having children before the fall. But listen to what God is telling Eve. But then the fall happened, and pain entered the world. God said, I will surely multiply your pain in childbearing. In pain you shall bring forth children. That means Eve had little or no pain before the fall. After the fall, Adam and Eve's son Cain killed his brother Abel. God said, if anyone kills Cain, vengeance shall be taken on him sevenfold. God said, if anyone kills Cain, God knew there were others in the land. Adam and Eve were driven out from the east of Eden. Cain went to the land of Nod, east of Eden, and found a wife. Thus the journey from the creation to the fall and the subsequent events shaped the early human story as told in Genesis. Subscribe for more insightful stories from the Bible. Like, comment, and share if you found this fascinating.